Hey guys, welcome back to a new weekly Forex forecast. Before we start, let me just explain this point for you, since a lot of traders are asking us about indicators. And here's the thing. The only magical indicator in Forex trading is your mind. How is that? You have thousands of indicators out there, and 99% of them, they are using formulas and equations from the charts, open, high, low, close, Forex data. The only real data that you have is the charts. That means if you train your mind enough, if you learn how you can read the structure of the Forex market, you are sorted. You don't need any indicator to tell you what could be the next move. You are the indicator of your trading. And don't get me wrong, indicators are helpful tools and you can use them, but use them as tools only. They are not magical. Here is another tip for you. Believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself and have a passion to be a successful trader, no one can stop you. Let's start. The XY, the market went up and the structure is not changed as yet. We are looking at this down wave. This is the move we are looking for, and this is the wave. That means, guys, if the market will go to the downside, we will trade it. If the market will go to the upside, we will not go for it. For the XY, the structure is not changed as yet. We are still looking for this down wave. Pound dollar, in this structure, guys, we can see one more move up. This is why we will trade this up move and we will trade this down move. One more move up and then downside again. If you know how to trade this one, you can go for it. Otherwise, wait this up move and then you can go with this sells. In this structure, guys, we'll go for this up move and this down move. Both trades are valid. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you can share this video in your social media platforms, that will be appreciated. Euro dollar, for this one, guys, we're expecting an up move. Instead, the market went down. For this one, we'll look for our buy setups again. This is the wave we're looking for, upside. Any sell setup will ignore it, and any sell setup will not go for it. All what we're looking for is our buy setups, and we'll go for this wave again. Pound Oz, we can see one more move up in this structure. If you are not in, leave it. You should not buy this one. Let this one go to the upside and then look for your sell setups. We'll go for this one and then we'll look for our sell setups to go with this wave. For now, this is what we can see. One more move up and then downside. Aussie dollar, for this one, guys, we are looking for our buy setups. This is the wave and this direction. If the market will go to the downside, we will not sell it. It has a tendency that it will go down to break this low. This is why if we will go to the downside, we will not sell it. All what we are looking for is our buy setups. And if we will buy this one, we know exactly where to enter, where to exit, and what it should be our worst case scenario. This is exactly what we teach, guys. In this one, we are looking for this upside. This is the wave, and this is the move we are looking for. Aussie New Zealand, if you trade this one, you should be in this buys, right? You know that. And this is more than 400 pips. If you are in this buys, you can start take profits or you can move your stops. We are expecting more upside, one more move up. If you are not in, leave it. If you are in, just manage your trade. One more move up in this structure, you should not buy from here. You should be already in a buy position if you trade Aussie New Zealand. And this is more than 400 pips move. Aussie Yen, leave this one, but the direction is to the upside. If you need to trade this one, go for your buy setups. We are looking for our buy setups, and this is the direction we are looking for, upside. If the market will go to the downside, we will not trade it. Pound CAD, for this one, guys, we are expecting a corrective structure and one more move up. We'll go for this up move if the market give us a setup. CAD Swiss, this is moving as expected. We've got this down move and we've got this up move. If you are in this buy position, move your stops. We are expecting more upside. If the market will give us a corrective structure here, we'll go for this one again. This is the direction we're looking for, upside, up wave. Euro Swiss, we are going into a corrective structure here and one more move down is possible. This down move will not trade it. We are focusing on our buy setup. This is the wave and this direction. All what we are looking for is our buy setups, upside, up wave. If the market will make a corrective structure and one more move down, we will not trade this down move. Swiss yen, for this one, guys, we'll start looking for our buy setups. This is a wave and this direction we're looking for. No sell setup for us. For this one, guys, all what we're looking for is our buy setups only. Dollar CAD, in this structure, we can see one more move down and then one more move up and then downside again. We'll trade these waves if we see a setup. For us, guys, down, up, and down again. If you are not in this trade, wait. Let the market make one more down, one more up, and then look for your sell setups from here. This wave is much bigger. Dollar Swiss, if you are in this sell, you should have made some profits, and if not, you should get out for break even, and this should be your worst case scenario. You remember this one is posted on our trading view, right? Now, in this structure, guys, we can see one more move up and then downside. We will not trade this up move, and we'll look for our sell setups only. Euro-Oz, for this one, you know, we are expecting a downside and this big down move, right? But remember, from here we did say, guys, we are expecting a down move. And if you are in this sell, move your stops. We are expecting one more move up and you should not buy this one. If you are in this sell, just move your stops. One more move up is expected and we will not trade this up move. We'll wait this up move to go and then we'll look for our sell setups again. But if you are in this sells, just manage your trade. That means move your stops in case this one continues to downside. In this structure, we can see one more move up, we'll not trade it, and we'll look for our sell setups again if the market went up. EuroCAD, in this structure, guys, we can see one more move up. That means here, if the market will go down to break this low, this will not change the structure. If the market will go to the downside, we'll look for our buy setups again. We can see one more move up in this structure. That means any buy setup will go for it, and if the market will go to the downside more, we will not sell it. In this one, guys, we did not get a sell setup here for downside. This is why we are not in the sell, and we will go for our buy setups in this structure. Pound Swiss, if you are not in this buy, leave it. The market will make a corrective structure and then one more move up. This is direction and this is the move we are looking for. Upside, up wave. In this one, if you are not in, leave it. It will make a corrective structure and then upside again. Euro New Zealand, we are looking for this down wave and this down move. You know that, right? This is the bigger picture and we are expecting this down wave. This is the wave we are looking for. Downside, no buy setup for us. If we get a sell setup from here, we'll go for this one. We are already in this sell and we'll go for this one again. In this structure, guys, we are looking for this big wave. If you missed this down wave, you can go for this one. You remember, we're expecting 1,000 pips here to the downside. Instead, the market gave us 700 pips. XPT for this one, if you remember, from here we did say, guys, the structure, it could be changed to the upside. Be careful, we are expecting one more move up. And the market move exactly as expected. Now, in this one, guys, we are looking for our sell setups. If you remember this explanation here, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. For us, now, we are expecting downside, down wave, and we'll go for any sell setup. Any buy setup from here, we will not take it now. CAD Yen, any buy setup, we will go for it. In this one, guys, we are looking for this up wave and this up move. This is the direction we are looking for, and this is the wave. Upside, up wave. Any buy setup, we'll go for it. Dollar Yen, for this one, guys, in this structure, we can see one more move up. This wave is going to the upside. This is what we can see, and this is what we can forecast. If we get a corrective structure here, one more move up. This is what we will trade. Upside, up wave. Any sell setup here, we will not go for it. New Zealand dollar, we were expecting an up move, instead the market went down. In this structure, guys, we are expecting upside now. In this one, the structure is not changed. That means any buy setup will go for it and any sell setup will not take it. If we go with this buy setup, this is the wave we are looking for. Big upside and big up wave. We'll go for this buy setup and this is the wave we are looking for. For gold, we're expecting downside and the market starts to go to the downside. If you are in a sell position, manage your trade. If you are not in, be careful. The market, it can make one more move up. We will not buy this one even if we know the market, it can make one more move up. We'll go for our sell setups only and our direction is to the downside. This is the wave we're looking for. downside, down wave, no buy setup for us. That means any buy setup in gold, we will ignore it. And any sell setup, we will go for it. This is the direction we are looking for. No buy setup for us. Even though we know the market, it can make one more move up, we will not buy it. Silver, for this one, you know our forecast. We are expecting a bigger corrective structure now and then one more move up. You know from here, we forecasted this up wave. If you are in this buy, you can take profits or you can move your stops. It's your decision. For us, we are expecting a corrective structure and then one more move up. Dollar Mexican, for this one, guys, we are expecting a down wave similar to this one. This is a wave we are looking for here. In this structure, we are looking for our sell setups to go with this wave. This is the wave and this direction we are looking for. Downside, down wave. New Zealand CAD, leave this one for now. We'll make a corrective structure and then one more move down. Leave it for now and we'll update you later on. Pound New Zealand, in this structure, we can see one more move down. If you know how to trade this down move, you can go for it. We are expecting one more move down in this structure. New Zealand Swiss, like we said last week, leave this one. We are making a bigger corrective structure here, a complex one, and then one more move down. We'll let this structure complete and then we'll go with this upside. New Zealand Yen, again, leave this one if you are not in. We are expecting one more move up. If you need to trade this one, this is the direction we are looking for, upside, up wave. We will not sell it. US oil, in this structure, guys, we can see one more move up. This is a wave and this direction. We are expecting one more move up and this is what we can forecast. And this one, guys, if you need to trade US oil, go for your buy setups. Euro Yen, you know we are ignoring any sell setup and we'll go for our buy setups. This is a wave and this direction. We are waiting our buy setups to go with this up wave. Any sell setup here, we will not take it. Euro Pound, you know our forecast and you remember this forecast was downside, right? If you are in this sells, manage your trade. If you are not in, we can get a corrective structure and you can go for this sells again. For us, we are expecting this down wave and this down move. Any buy setup here is not ready. We are expecting this corrective structure and then downside again. Aussie Swiss, this making a bigger corrective structure and then one more move down. Leave this pair if you are not in, and if you need to trade it, you can go with this down wave. Pound Yen, in this structure, guys, we'll go for this upside. We'll go for this buy setup and this is the wave we're looking for. Upside, up wave. This downside, it will be corrective and then one more move up. Nifty, you know our forecast and you should be in this sell if you trade Nifty. And if you are in this sell, manage your trade. We are expecting more downside and if you are not in from here, you should not sell from here actually. Wait this corrective structure. If this will make a bigger corrective structure, you can enter again. If this will fall from here, you should not sell it. If you are in this sell, just manage your trade. Nasdaq, this moving exactly as expected. We said one more move up and the market went up. If you are in this buy, manage your trade. We are expecting now after this up move, this down wave. If you know how to trade this down wave, go for it. Wait your setup and we are expecting one more move down. SPX, we've got this up move and now we are expecting downside. Wait your setup to go with this downside. We are expecting one more move down, similar to this one and similar to this one. We are expecting here in SPX, one more move down. Aussie CAD, we are expecting one more move up and then one more move down. We'll go for this down wave and then we'll go for our buy setups. If you don't know how to trade this one, leave it. Go for this one, it will be much bigger. This is what we can see and this is based on wave analysis. Dollars are, like we said, from here we did say we're expecting upside and the market went up. Now, from here guys, we are expecting corrective structure and then one more move up. If you want to sell this one, be very careful with this, guys. If you are in this sell, manage your trade. If you are not in, wait. We can get one more move up and then you can look for your sells again. For us and our traders, they know exactly how they should trade this one if the market will move to the downside and how to maximize profits here. Now, for this one guys, if you want to trade this up move, you should be very careful. Dollar TRY, we are expecting one more move down. This is the wave we are looking for, downside, down wave, and we'll look for our sell setups and we'll go for this wave. This is the wave and this direction we are looking for. Any buy setup here will not go for it. We are expecting a down wave, a down move similar to this one. You have 30, wait this corrective structure. If we get a corrective structure here, we'll go for one more move up. If you are in this buy, we forecasted this buy setup. If you are in this buy guys, take profits. If you are not in, leave it for now. Bitcoin, we can get one more move down, we will not go for this one and go for your buy setups. This is investment and this is upside. Any sell setup, ignore it. XRP, this one at any time, it can shoot up. If you are not in and you need to invest, you can go for this one. It's a good investment and you can double and triple your account in this up move. Use proper risk. You know that here in YouTube we are giving you our point of view on what could be the next move in the market based on wave analysis, and it's not a signal service. You might be making money out of our weekly Forex forecasts, but to master Forex trading and wave analysis and be a successful trader, you need coaching. So our next course will be in a few months from now. If you would like to join us and learn from us, send us an email to wetradewaves@gmail.com, put next course details as a subject, and we'll send you all the details. Thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video in your social media platforms, and see you next week.